Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change door pins on a Chevy Silverado. First, gather your essential tools: a hammer, a punch, and your new door pins. You'll also want a helper to support the door, which can weigh over 100 pounds, preventing damage during the process. Prepare your workspace by ensuring good lighting and clear access to the door hinges. This preparation will make the entire replacement process much smoother and safer for everyone involved. Now, let's remove those worn-out door pins. With your helper supporting the door, use a punch and a hammer to carefully drive out the old pins from the hinges. Start from the bottom and work your way up. Be mindful not to damage the hinge itself. Once the pins are out, take a moment to inspect the hinge bushings. If they show signs of significant wear, it's a good idea to replace them now for optimal performance and longevity. With the old pins removed, it's time to install the new ones. Carefully align each new door pin with the corresponding hinge holes. Your helper should continue to support the door, ensuring it stays perfectly aligned. Gently tap the new pins into place using your hammer, making sure they are fully seated. Once all pins are installed, test the door's movement. It should open and close smoothly, without any binding or excessive play, indicating a successful installation. To ensure long-lasting performance, lubricate the new door pins and hinges with a suitable grease or lubricant. This will prevent future wear and keep your door operating quietly. Double-check the door's alignment. If it's off, minor adjustments to the hinges might be necessary. For the best results and consistent door operation, consider replacing all 4 door pins on both sides, even if only one seems problematic. This proactive approach will save you time and effort in the long run.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.